Hello friends, today I'm going to read to you One Crow, a counting rhyme by Jim Aylesworth, he's the author, and illustrated by Ruth Young. So she drew these beautiful pictures. I really like the sunflowers here on this side, aren't they pretty? Okay, so let's read this story, One Crow. One crow. Summer. Zero. One. One crow sits on a telephone wire. Summer's sun's up and climbing higher. Two. Two squirrels chase in a hollow tree, clouds in the sky as white as can be. Three. Three puppies romp and wag little tails. Summer breeze billows the wash like sails. You see the laundry blowing in the wind? Four. Four kittens roll in the tall milkweeds. Green garden melons are plump with seeds. Look at the kittens. There's four of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. Okay. 5. 5 horses drink as their tails flip-flop. Butterflies fly and grasshoppers hop. You see the grasshoppers? Teeny tiny right there. Oh, and here's the butterflies up here. Do you see them? They're yellow. There's some over here. There's some over there. 6. 6 pigs wallow in a muddy hole. Wild berries glisten like shiny black coal. You see the berries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 7 hens doze in the soft warm dust. A broken old plow is covered in rust. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hens. 8. 8 sheep nibble in the summer green. Air in the meadow smells sweet and clean. Oh, what a pretty summer day. Let's count the sheep. Don't fall asleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sheep. Look here. 9. 9 cows wander up the crooked lane. A barn roof rooster is the weather vane. See that rooster way up there? Let's count those cows, if you're awake from the sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cows. 10. 10 children play on the grassy ground. Summer's sun is sleepy and going down. Bye-bye, summer. Winter. 0. 1. 1 crow sits on a telephone wire. Winter's sun's up and climbing higher. 2. 2 squirrels curl in a hollow tree. Clouds in the sky are white as can be. I think those squirrels are sleeping and they're all warm. 3. 3 puppies bark as they run and sniff. Wash on the line is frozen stiff. Not sure how it's going to get dry if it's frozen. 1, 2, 3. 3 puppies. 4. 4 kittens watch. They're hunting for mice. The barnyard puddles are slick as ice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kittens. 5 horses eat with heads in a row. Sunlight sparkles on the snowflakes as they blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 horses. 6. 6 pigs snuggle in a pile of hay. Spider webs sag, all dusty and gray. So 6 pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pigs. 7. 7 hens nest, 1 each in a box. The old coop's warm and safe from the fox. You don't want the fox getting in there with the chickens, because he'll eat them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hens. 8. 8 sheep huddle in the winter white. Air in the meadow feels crisp and light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sheep. 9. 9 cows wander up the crooked lane, and the barn roof rooster is the weather vane. It looks like the same picture from summer, except with snow instead of green grass. 10. 10 children play on the snowy ground. Winter's sun is sleepy and going down. That's fun. I like that quilting book. 1 crow. I hope you enjoyed it too. Have a great day.